वेलकम टू स्टॉक्स पावर यूट्यूब चैनल। आप सभी का स्टॉक्स पावर यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत है। तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं सन फार्मा क्वार्टर टू रिजल्ट। सन फार्मा क्वार्टर टू का रिजल्ट आया है। इट इज़ अमेजिंग रिजल्ट। इट सन फार्मा प्रॉफिट हैज़ अचीव्ड 71%। इट वेंट 71% प्रॉफिट in quarter 2 at 1810 crore, which is the most in Sun Pharma quarter result. So as a virus impact, so coronavirus has impacted more where fund where pharmaceutical companies have risen very much in this COVID-19 situation. सो वीडियो में लास्ट तक बने रहे क्योंकि हम लोग क्वार्टर टू का रिजल्ट देखेंगे। स्टे अंटिल लास्ट विल चेक आउट क्वार्टर टू रिजल्ट ऑफ सन फार्मा। ओके, सो विल गो फर्दर। बिफोर गोइंग फर्दर, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू अवर चैनल। इफ यू आर न्यू टू दिस चैनल, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब चैनल एंड प्लीज press the bell icon to get notification of video that I will upload. So here is Sun Pharma Industry Limited quarter 2 result, which is pharmaceutical industry. Okay, pharmaceutical company. So check it here. Sun Pharma quarter 2 result. This is letter approval of unaudited financial. Check here. Approval of financial result for the quarter and half ended September 30. Okay, so we'll check here quarter 2 result. What is in this letter? We'll check here. So unaudited, standalone and consolidated financial result of the company is here in this letter. So we'll check everything. So here is statement of unaudited standalone financial result of company. Okay, so this is statement of unaudited स्टैंडअलोन फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट। दिस इज स्टैंडअलोन फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट हम लोग देखेंगे। तो रेवेन्यू ऑफ फ्रॉम ऑपरेशंस। ओके, सी रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन यहाँ चेक किया। दिस इज दिस क्वार्टर्स, दिस इज लास्ट क्वार्टर एंड दिस इज लास्ट ईयर्स YoY year on year. Okay, so we'll check for so total revenue from operation is how much total revenue from operation is. Check here, 3292, which is less from last year's 2019. Check here, and this year quarters was 2963, which is more than last quarter. The profit has went 71%, which is not less. So we'll check total income. Total income is 3365, where last year was more than this year's. Last year September it was 3631, and last quarter it was 2984, which is less than this quarter. So we'll check expenses. So total expenses are here. Check here, total expenses are here. So total expenses are 2663 crore. Okay, the total expenses last year was 2791 crore, which is more than this year. So this year expenses has decreased. So we'll check last quarter the expenses were less, 2452 crore. All the values are in crore. So check here. So this year expenses has reduces as compared to September 2019. So profit before tax. So profit is 701 crore before tax. So this is profit before tax. Last year it was 839 crore, which is most. This year has decreased. So in June 9 2020 it was 531. A comparison of last quarter, this quarter was fantastic for Sun Pharma. So we'll check for other comparative income. Check here, other, you can check it. I will scroll up. Whatever you want to read, you can read it. So earning per share, EPS, basic EPS is 3.02. Last year it was 3.43, which was more than this year's EPS, and in last quarter it was less, 2.22. This quarter has increased. In this quarter everything has increased compared to last quarter, June quarter. So here is research and development expenses included above. These expenses are included in above expenses. So check here. This quarter, research and development expenses has increased to 300 crore, where last year was 250 crore and last quarter it was 286. So in this quarter, expenses has increased in research and development expenses. So we'll go for the so here are total assets check here. In March 2020 the assets were, we'll check here, wait. In March 2020 the assets were 26,469, and this quarter it is in September it is 26,694. Okay, so this has increased. Assets has also increased. The current asset check here, read it. Inventories, financial assets, investment, trade receivables, cash and cash equivalents, all of there you can read slowly. Equity and liability check here. Total equity is here. Equity and liability check here. Total equity and liability compared to last year, this is more. So we'll go further. So unaudited standalone cash flow statement of year September 2019, we'll check here. So cash flow from operating activities, we'll check directly the main. So operating profit before working capital changes, last year it was 1732 and this year is last year it was 1992 crore and this year it is 1732 crore, which has decreased. So we'll go for a cash generated from operation check here. This year has increased more, 1201 crore, while last year it was 244 crore. So net cash generated from operating activity check here, it is 1158 crore, while last year it was 304 crore. So this 42.98 crore is tax, yet last year 39.93 was cash tax deducted. Okay, we'll go for the net cash flow. So cash and cash equivalent at the end of the period is here. Check here. So this year is 132.87 and last year it was 142.28. As last year in September quarter the profit was more than this year. So we'll go further. If you want to read, you can read this. I will scroll up slowly. You can pause and read everything. Everything statement is here. So we are here at consolidated financial result of the year. Okay, so check here. This is consolidated financial result. So first one was standalone result, now is consolidated result. So total revenue for operation is 8553 crore, where last year in September it was 8123 crore, which is less than this year. So this year has increased in consolidated result, while last quarter it was 7500 crore has increased as compared to last quarter. Sorry, 1000 crore has increased as compared to last quarter. So total income is 8808 crore, and last year it was 8324 crore, which is 500 crore more than last year's. And this quarter, June quarter, it was 7739, which is 1000 crore less as compared to September. So total expenses we'll check here. Total expenses are 6891, where last year it was same as compared to September 20 and September 2019. The same expenses are same, but profit has increased in 2020. In last quarter the expenses were less as compared to this quarter, so profit before exceptional items and tax is 1917. Last quarter it was 1449 and last year it was 1433, which is this quarter has more as compared to last year and last quarter. So we'll check here. Net profit loss is here. Net profit loss after taxes. So and there is profit before tax. So these are profit before tax and these are profit after tax. So we'll check profit after tax directly. So net profit is 1812 crore this year and last year it was 1064 crore, which is less than this year's September 20 as compared to September 2019. September 2020's net profit is more than last year as compared to June quarter. Also the September quarter has got profit well. So we'll go ahead. Earning per share. So we'll check EPS here. So last year EPS was 4.43 and this year EPS is 7.56, which has increased, and last quarter it was 6.90. So EPS also increased as compared to last year. So you can read everything here. Assets are here. You can carry on while reading. You can pause while if you want to read. So total assets also has increased as compared to last quarter. So so this was the result for Sun Pharma quarter, September quarter. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, and if you want any strategies, I have explained the strategies, intraday strategies and bank nifty positional strategy. The links are in description. You can go and check there. So thank you and happy trading.